Wow, Ande. You're really Hawaii vibe. This is the room that we got. Here's the bathroom. It's spacious. It's got a lot of room here. And it's got hey, no bathtub though. There's no bathtub. You lied. The pictures lied. And then it's a mirror to look at yourself. Yeah, I mean, it's got basic functions. It's clean. See outside here of, well, there's the pool area there. And then there's the ocean over there. You got some tables here. And the bed's king size. There's a couch here to watch TV and chillax. Here is a refrigerator. Keep your stuff cold, I guess. Let's feel that cold though. Lock. Coffee pot with, what did they store? Basic items here. You know, a closet, work desk here. Also another way outside. It's nice. Do I like this one or I don't know. Yep, that's what it is. Just because the pictures make it look nice doesn't necessarily mean it is. So I was expecting more.
Hey, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe.